I use different methods to make 20 oz rotating tumbler mockup. So I'm going to briefly show you how to use that product. When you receive that product, click the link. It will bring you to your Canva account. Log into your Canva account. It's free. And this is what you're going to see. So there is a Canva frame. And what you can do is to drop your pattern into that frame. I dragged my pattern here and I put into this Canva frame. And the next is to click that pattern, and you will see on the right up corner, you click the position and it will bring you to layer. And then this is your pattern and you drag it to the bottom and then close it. So on the upper right corner, click preview. After that, if you're happy with it, click share, download, and you can download it as MP4 video. Okay, this is pretty much it is. I put the product link below. I hope you like this video. Thank you.